guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're bringing you an exciting guide on how to use the top-tier DeepSeek-R1 671B model for free. And no, we're not talking about the smaller 7B or 32B versions. This is the full 671B powerhouse. If your computer isn't powerful enough, or you've been running into issues with DeepSeek's official website, don't worry. In this video, we'll share 3 free ways to access DeepSeek-R1 and help you bypass all the limitations. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. Method 1, Perplexity. We've covered Perplexity AI in previous videos. It integrates some of the most advanced AI models, including DeepSeek-R1 and OpenAI's O3 Mini, both of which you can use for free. However, there's a small catch. You can only use it 5 times per day for free. But don't worry, you can switch accounts to extend usage or combine this method with the next 2 we'll show you. Method 2, GenSpark. GenSpark offers access to all major AI models on the market. The best part? When you sign up and link your phone number, you get 1 month of free membership. Plus, for every new user you invite, you get an extra month of free access, up to 20 months total. If you're not comfortable using your personal phone number, no problem. Just search for a virtual phone number service on Google and use that to verify your account. With GenSpark membership, you get unlimited access to AI models and even image generation. How cool is that? Once your membership is activated, just go to the chat interface, find the model switch button, and select DeepSeek-R1. Oh, and check this out. It even includes OpenAI's latest O3 Mini and O1 models. Method 3, NVIDIA's official version. Yes, NVIDIA itself has launched a dedicated DeepSeek-R1 instance that is completely free and has no usage limits. The only downside? Search results are moderated, so some queries won't work, and it doesn't support internet browsing. But other than that, it's a full-fledged DeepSeek-R1 671B model, which is more than enough for daily use. And that's it! 3 easy ways to access DeepSeek-R1 671B for free. If you know any other methods, feel free to drop them in the comments and share with the community. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our future AI guides. See you in the next video.